I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide now because I'm playing Nancy. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, so I was pretty pissed. So I spent a lot of money at that day at my work I'm at now. I spent
She got shorts on, so she's
So I'm not hiding yet. I'm hiding the other side. So I'm going to see. It's kind of dark outside. Yeah. So you wanna go to on YouTube? I already have 7 subscribers. I have 703 subscribers. You don't even have a phone. Yes, I do. It's at home. It doesn't work. Yes, it does. Okay, hi guys. I'm up next to the fire.
We are packed out. We have 84 kids in that school. We have one opening in my class that's for Tuesdays and Thursdays for 2-year-olds. That's it. This is the only one that have an opening right now.
Which one do you work for?
They're all full. And there's a waiting list.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay.
Emmaus is probably one of the most #1 Bush County preschools right now that I know of. Emmaus.
Well, babe,
Okay.
all that stuff's going over here.
Come on.
We don't want to back up.
I mean, the bosses are assholes in some form. She's the head director. She's pretty laid back. She's a fucking redneck. She's country or whatever. But the assistant director,
pretty.
she's a Colombian
Look at
woman.
him.
She's
Whoa.
an asshole. Nobody likes her. And she's very blunt. And I'm pissed because I asked
Hey,
her
say hi to YouTube.
if I can have
Hey,
Wednesday,
green shirt.
7 to 4.
Say hi to YouTube,
She
green
didn't
shirt.
I'm at to work 6 o'clock on Wednesday, and I
Hey,
can't take my
who
son
wants to
trick-or-treating.
say hi to YouTube?
I'm never going to say hi to you too.
Nobody will switch with you, or you're not allowed?
Say
You can take them trick or treat.
That's because I have doctor's appointments now. They're the reason why I went to the doctor.
Well, doesn't Jeff get them early?
Yeah, he's going to take them, but I can't enjoy my son's time on trick-or-treat this
Yeah, but
year.
you should still go.
I told him, I said, wherever you are, just let me know. I'll just meet up with you.
Yeah.
I had to go in my work shirt, but, you know, whatever. So then I'll just go as a fucking preschool teacher.
Good idea.
So, we're doing s'mores.
Yeah, it's
And
warm.
we're just waiting for this kid to get faster and faster. He's just walking the slowest.
But, I mean, it's still good.
Yes, he's holding a glass.
The teachers are great.
Plate,
I mean,
so.
we got some really good teachers.
Yeah, we gotta do it.
Despite the riff-raff of the directors. But, you know, that's any preschool I've worked at. Daycare preschool.
Go see part 2.